In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then use this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select Add Password at the top. Now you can type in all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App to tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email and phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. After making sure that all of those informations are correct, select Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!